Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you two simple methods using which you can get rid of this notification in Windows 7. To start, type cmd, right click over it and run it as administrator. Click on yes. Now in the command prompt window, type this command slmgr space -rearm and hit enter. Once successfully complete, you will get this notification. Click on OK and restart your computer, and this should fix the issue. However, if it does not, then proceed ahead with the next method. Click on Start menu and in the search bar type regedit. From here, navigate through the following location. I'll also give this location in the video description, so you can simply copy and paste it in the address bar of Registry editor and hit enter, and you can directly go to this location. Now right click over skip rearm and select modify. Now set the value data from 0 to 1 and click on OK. That's it. Now restart your computer. You can perform these methods maximum for a number of 3 times, after which you need to purchase a Windows key to activate your Windows. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.